Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of My Mom's Recipe Box. We have a very special episode for you today. As you know, I have just returned from a fabulous trip to Cameroon where I ate some amazing food, and I'm so lucky that I have my son George with me today.
Hi.
And George is going to show us how to make a delicious meal out of our leftover rice, okay? So, you know, leftover rice, we have it all the time, right? So I have some leftover rice here. And it has some green beans and some corn in it. And instead of just having a bowl of cold rice, I'm going to make something really special out of it that is not going to be hard, it's not going to take much time, and it's not going to take a lot of money. So I'm going to turn my channel over to my son George, and he is going to show us how to turn this cold bowl of rice into a fabulous meal. Come on back.
Hi, like today, like what mom just said, today we'll be preparing a very common meal, common dish. So we have our rice ready. So we have the rice ready, we have our egg, we have the onion, we have Maggi, we have salt. So also you may also have like fresh tomatoes. So the reason why we don't have fresh tomato here is because we don't want to put the fresh tomatoes in this meal. But you can also put fresh tomatoes and any vegetable that you like. It's good. So our rice already have corn and green beans. So that is good. So if you want to make egg and rice, commonly called egg and rice, it's very cheap to do. Maybe you have been eating like what we call jollof rice, you have been eating white rice, you have been eating burrito, and you want something new. So you can just make your egg and rice. Just stay tuned and stay connected. I will show you how you can do this. Okay? So what you have to do, you need to make sure that your frying pan is dry like this. It's dry, good. And you put it on your gas cooker, and it should be a little bit warm. Since it's dry, there is no problem for me to put my oil. So you have to put your oil. If you don't like too much of oil, you can put just small oil like this. It's not too much. So since I have my rice is much a little bit, like I need to put more oil. Yeah, so that's it. So I have to make this warm. That oil have to get warm, then you take your tomato.
Your egg.
Yeah, your egg. You break it. Okay. So this we're gonna use about 4 to 6 eggs because the rice is much. Okay. Okay, so the next step you have to do, you peel what I call Maggi. So this we are using vegetable Maggi because Mommy Sue of my mom recipe box, she's a vegetarian. So we are using a vegetable Maggi. There are other kind of Maggi you can use. So this is the one we are using. This is a vegetable Maggi. And it's not yet expired, is it? Still. Then you peel. So we're gonna use 2 cubes of Maggi. So since I still have more in my hands, so you can just grab it there. Yes. No, so you put a little bit of salt. You should not pack salt or else you will not be able to eat it. Then best way to do, match it like it. So here's my onion. I'm gonna put the onion right there.
Pause it. Okay.
So you make it. So what we're gonna do right now, you put your rice. In other case, you can put your rice in the oil first. But this one, I want to mix the rice. You mix it. Mix the rice. Okay. So that's it. Okay, that tastes good. So you have to make sure your oil is warm enough. It's really hot to cook your rice and your egg. Just stay tuned, we'll come back. So you make sure you mix it very well, and you got it on. Then you take it, put it. Okay. So you're gonna mix it. So you have to put it in a little bit. Make sure it's set.
It smells amazing.
Yeah, it's good. I think some neighbors will come and have some taste of it.
I think so.
I have to put it there for 2 or 3 minutes. Then I will come back, make sure. I know some people may like spicy, like pepper. You may put your pepper if you like a spicy food. You can put the pepper if you like spicy food. Us, we don't really like spicy food that much, but we do eat it at times. So that's why we did not put pepper. So right now, I have to make sure stir it. Okay, let me do my normal stuff. Okay.
Smells good.
Yeah. Almost ready. Some people like it dry. If you like it dry, you can make it sure that it's really dry. But I don't really like it dry. I like it like when you have a little bit like moisture like that. That's good.
Okay.
So,
Is it ready to taste?
of course. So, Mom, you can try that. That's it. Remember, it's hot. Really hot.
It's so good. I love the onion. It's perfectly spiced. It's a winner. Hi everybody. So this is our favorite time, tasting time. Look at that, rice and egg. Let's see how he did.
Okay, ready.
Ready?
I taste onion,
Yeah?
the egg, rice, really good.
It's really good.
What's the name of the dish?
Egg and rice.
Egg and rice.
Yeah.
We might have to work on that.
This is so much better than just the rice.
Definitely got some green beans, right?
You got green beans, there's some corn. It's so much more flavorful. And we just
flavor
put it
pops.
together with stuff I'm sure you have at home.
Thumbs up.
So if you're looking for a quick, easy, and really tasty, you know, it's so quiet here because everyone has their mouth full. I hope you try this recipe.
Try it.
If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share, and subscribe to the channel. How about it?
Tell your friends.
Look for us on Facebook under My Mom's Recipe Box. And of course, watch all our videos on YouTube. Thanks for coming by. We love you. Take good care. We'll see you next time on My Mom's Recipe Box.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.